In this video, I want to show you how to get to the settings so that you can mark your expenses billable in QuickBooks Online. You want to start by logging into your QuickBooks Online. Then you'll go to the gear in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. From there, you'll go to Account and Settings under the header called Your Company. When this opens, you'll select Expenses on the left-hand side of your screen. In the section called Bills and Expenses, it says Make Expenses and Items Billable. For me, it's currently turned off. To turn it on, I'll select the pencil on the right, and then I'll toggle it from gray to green. This turns it on and expands the options. I can add a default rate for the markup. The billable expense can be marked as income, and then if I say that I want it marked as income, I can either say the income should go to a single account or the income should go to multiple accounts, the accounts being associated with whatever the expense account is that I use when I record the expense. I can indicate whether or not I want to charge sales tax, and then I can have default bill payment terms. So that's it. I just wanted you to know how to get here and how to play around with it. If you ever want to test ideas, I encourage you to test it, review stuff. You can also test things in the sample QuickBooks file, Craig's Design and Landscape Services. If you're not sure how to get there, you can Google QuickBooks Online Test Drive, or I have a video showing you how to get there. Okay, thanks.